Okay, we are performing a sewer scope inspection at 5824 South Meadowlark Place in Castle Rock. Today is Tuesday, October 8th. It's approximately 2:40 in the afternoon. We are accessing our main sewer line through the main cleanout access here in the closet in the basement where the sump pit is. We intend to run from this point all the way to the tap into the city main line in the street. We'll record this entire process. The water that we have running here is from the basement bathroom sink. I just run that so that we can verify proper flow and keep the camera lens clean. Right here you can see we are making a transition between the black ABS pipe and this bluish-green SDR pipe. This is just outside the foundation wall, and it's common to change to the SDR pipe at this point. Looks like a good transition here. You can see here at about 24 feet, water seems to be slowing up a little bit and filling the pipe a bit. We'll continue on and see what the cause of this is. You can see here, obviously the camera is underwater at this point, but at 27.8 feet, there is an offset joint here. This is, both of these ends of this line are SDR, so this should be a glued joint, but it's clearly disconnected here, and there's a pretty significant offset. They don't normally use the rubber coupler on the outside to connect these joints. This is usually a glued joint, so this can be a fairly significant concern here, particularly with water holding up in this area. We'll continue on and see if we can determine what the cause of the water stoppage and potentially what the cause of this breakage or disconnect here at this joint is. You can see that there is solids and debris sitting in the bottom of the line here. That can be a concern. As this builds up, it will cause a blockage and eventually backup. So it looks like this is the end of the water filling in this area. From what I can tell, the cause of this holdup here is that disconnected joint, and that causing water to flow into the soil, causing soil to move and causing that section of the pipe to sink. That would certainly hold up water and sewage in that line and cause that pipe to drop. This is a pretty significant concern, and I believe it needs to be repaired. So here at 71 feet, this is the tap into the city main line out into the street. Other than that one significant concern, the rest of the line looks like it's in good shape. Most likely that problem is going to be in the front yard somewhere, so it should be a little bit more accessible. But I do recommend that this be evaluated by a qualified plumber so that repairs can be made. I believe this needs to be dug up and repaired.